What's up guys, this is Gautam Johar and today we are going to see the functionality of Edge Firewall as per our goal of the post. Okay, so this is my current topology. Actually this was my topology, initial topology, and in this topology my tier 0 is directly connected with my physical router. My physical router is having the subnet detail of my client virtual machine, sorry, client PC, from where I access this DB, this app and these web servers. Okay, so I have done a bit modification here. Okay, so let me show you what I have done to demonstrate the edge functionality. So let me just draw it here. Okay, let's take it here, and this is my tier 0. Let me put it here. This is my tier 0 router, which is somewhere has connectivity with my physical router, and below this I have created a new tier 1 router which has the connectivity with my tier 0, and under this tier 1 I have created a logical switch and named it LS-1. Okay, and I have connected this logical switch with my tier 1 router. Yep, and under this ls-vc nodes I have a virtual machine, and the name of the virtual machine is web-04a, and I have given the IP address 172.160.80.2. Okay, so this virtual machine is connected with my this logical switch. So this is kind of transit logical switch between my tier 1 and my virtual machine. Okay, so I have changed this topology, so I have configured this topology now. Okay, so let me show you the exact diagram which I have created here in my lab. Okay, so let me go from bottom to top. First of all, let's see the virtual machine. So this virtual machine, yeah, so this is the virtual machine web-04a. It has the IP address 16.80.2, and it is connected with ls-vc nodes 1. Okay, and now go back to the NSX Manager console, and here you can see, if you go to the switching part, then you will see this logical switch I have created here, ls-vc nodes 1. Okay, and now if you go to the routers, I have created the T1-VC nodes tier 1 router, and if you go through the router ports of T1 tier 1 router, then you will see that it is connected with tier 0 gateway. Okay, as I have shown you in my topology, and it has the downlink with ls-vc nodes logical switch where my virtual machine is residing. Okay, so I hope topology is a bit clear, and this tier 0 gateway 01 has the uplink with the physical router to go to the external environment. Okay, so this is the topology. Now see, remember the target. Our target is to check the edge firewall functionality. So if I open the command prompt on my virtual machine, or you can say the jump server, then I am able to ping this 172.160.80.2, and as you could see in my topology diagram, then my IP address is 110.10, right? So the reachability is through. I can reach the virtual machine under this logical switch through the tier 0, through the tier 1, and up to the virtual machine. Okay, so if I check the putty, then I can access the putty as well. Let me just duplicate the session, and as you can see that it is giving me a login prompt, so reachability is there, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to create a edge firewall now. See, under the security you see 3 firewall: distributed firewall, it is we have checked earlier in my above video, and this is bridge firewall. I'll include in this post, but in third video. So the today's target is edge firewall. So if you try to click here, it will not allow to click here edge firewall, but you can see one information icon here that to access edge firewall, go to networking router, select an existing router and click services. So what does it mean? It means that you need to go to networking and then click on routers, and then select the tier 1 VC node or tier 1 router. Under the services you will see edge firewall, so click here and you can see the firewall routes here. So I have already configured a route here. Okay, what I have done is I have created a section, simply section. Click anywhere here and you will get an option to add a section you want to add above, below, etc. I hope you are aware about it. So I have created a section, and under this section I have created this rule from my client PC, I mean from my jump server, right? I have just given a name, so you can give any name. So this ID automatically comes up here. You need not to mention anything manually. And then I have described the source here. The source, as you can see, that source is IP set. So I have created a IP set, given the IP address of my jump server in that IP set, and given that IP set into my source. And destination for web04, the same I have configured through it from IP set. I could do it from logical switch as well. Let me show you. So here you have 4 option: IP set, logical port, logical switch. So if you select the logical switch, then you will see ls-vc nodes 1. So you can select this as well, but because I was creating the IP ports, IP set, so I thought let's do it this way. Just cancel it. So in this way you can create a firewall rule here, and then service you want to block ICMP, FTP, HTTPS, HTTP, or anything you want to allow or block. You need to mention service here, so I'm putting it any, I mean even ping or my putty, nothing will be accessible. So action is allow or drop, so there is no deny here, allow or drop. So if I click on drop and OK, so beside publish you have option to save. So applied to field is you can apply on all, on everything, or you can apply on a logical linked port on tier 0 gateway. So it's up to you where you want to apply. So I have selected nothing, so it automatically select all, that every traffic on any interface which comes toward this tier 1 router, it will check all the traffic and all the interfaces, and will apply the action which is selected here. Okay, just click on save again, and let's see the impact. So I have selected the drop. So as we could see that I was able to ping earlier with the 30.2. So now ping again. Okay, ping is not working here, and now try to do the putty. Restart the session and you will see that I will not see any prompt. Duplicate the session, no problem. Okay, so let's initiate a continuous ping here. Okay, RTO, and now I'm going to change from drop to allow. click on OK and save and save. Now see the impact. Okay, reply is coming, and now see the impact on putty as well. I'm pretty confident it will work. Yeah, so it's all about the Edge firewall. I've explained how you can configure the firewall in your tier 1, tier 0 routers, which are known as Edge. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.